Hello, Darin Martineau here, and business and life coach. In this video, I'd like to talk a little bit about the difference between a business and an investment, and I'd like to talk about some things that are holding people back from starting a business. Obviously, they make all the excuses, time, money, this and that, but you see, what happens is procrastination is really the fear of success. And what does that mean? Well, many people are afraid of the success. It's not that they're afraid of the failure. That may be, but more importantly, the responsibility that comes with the success of running a business or investment and being an entrepreneur. Because the thing about it is that if you want to make your doubts and fears go away, if you have those, and we all have those, we can't be in denial. Read in the Bible, read in Daniel 5:12 if you want to learn how to dissolve your doubts. Okay. And I'm not going to hold back on this video on this channel. I'm going to bring into my religious knowledge, the scripture knowledge, faith, everything, because the thing about it is we have to know what's holding us back. Now, let's talk about the difference between a business and an investment, okay? So, in a business, depending on what it is, let's just say a typical, like a restaurant, a brick and mortar business. You have all the things, you have employees, you have all the things that you have to have. A typical franchise can cost $100,000, it can cost $1 million. You may say, well, yeah, I could do it for 20,000. But here's the thing. When you have a business, see, you got to be working, you know, on your business and not in your business. Meaning, if all your time is taken up with all this stuff, you're not going to have leverage. So the difference between an investment is that you don't have to do all of that. It's not that it doesn't take work. You have to use serious leverage. So when you look at starting like an affiliate marketing, like what I'm teaching to do, and I also have other investments, if you'd like to find out, join my Facebook group, contact me and say, Darin, what are you doing? How are you making all this money? And I'll share it with you. I'm going to share a lot of things on this channel. Okay. I'm an affiliate marketer. I create a lot of digital products and things like this. I show you how to do affiliate marketing, but I also show you other investments as well, opportunities. Um, the advantage of the affiliate marketing model is you're creating a digital asset. That doesn't mean it doesn't take work. Of course, you can outsource and everything like that, but you can either pay ads or you can create content. There's all kinds of things, but what I show you how to do is create the digital asset. Okay. So if you want a guide, click the link and put in your email, and I'll send you my guides and I'll show you the business model. Okay. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, and share.